Welcome back, boys. Welcome to another story. Such an incredible story I'm here to tell you today. Okay, you ready? There was one time a boy that every single day he would walk to school, by himself with his little backpack. It was so cool. And it's not like today where we have buses. The kid used to go by himself. He used to go all the way to school and then walk back to school. One day, as he's walking to school, suddenly lightning, thunder, rain, all the stuff. No tornado, don't worry. But it was crazy lightning and thunder. And as he's walking to school, his mom's at home sitting on the couch. She says, "Oh my gosh, Jonah, my son, it's thundering, it's lightning, it's scary. I have to go see how he's doing. Maybe Chas v'Shalom, he's gonna get injured." Right away, she decides, I'm gonna go with my car. I'm gonna go pass by him. If he needs a ride, I'm gonna take him to school. Let's see how he is, So she goes, she turns on the engine, the car turns on, and she starts driving. She's driving, and she sees her son on the sidewalk, and she's looking. Suddenly the lightning hits the sky, and suddenly she sees her son go like this. What is he doing? Why is he going like this? Okay, so she says, I'm gonna continue watching. He's going again, he's walking, and then suddenly again a lightning. What happens is, like this, he's smiling. Again, over and over, he's smiling. Every time a lightning, again, every few minutes a lightning hits, and again he's smiling. She says, what's happening? So she opens the window, she rolls it down, and she says, "Son, what are you doing?" And the son looks at the mom, he looks at the Ima, thank you so much, and he says to her, "Ima, I'm smiling at Hashem. He's taking pictures of me." What is the lesson, boys? What do we learn from this story? Sometimes in life, we see so many bad things happening. But sometimes we have to be like a kid. Not always to be like a kid, but sometimes we have to imagine ourselves like a kid. What does a kid do? A kid always sees the good. He always sees that Hashem's doing for the good. Even it could be lightning, thunder, tornadoes, crazy storm. But the kid's always there smiling and looking at the good. So to us, we always need to be looking at the good. And imagine to ourselves that Hashem's doing it for my best. All the best. Shavua Tov.